Choosing the right kitchen cabinet style is a critical step in the kitchen remodeling process. All options have different advantages and cater to different interior decorating styles. At Bergen Marble, we're here to help you make the right choice. Watch our video and get all the information you need. Cabinets can give a standard space a personalized touch with the right finishes and hardware. However, it might take some time and effort to get the perfect cabinets for your home. In this video, we'll be presenting different types of cabinetry and door styles, which will complement your ideal kitchen design. As an experienced kitchen remodeler in the tri-state area, we have created thousands of beautiful and functional living spaces using top-quality brands. With practical and stylish designs, we create unique spaces based on our customers' needs and desires. Hi, I'm Slava from Bergen Marble. I'm here to talk to you about everything you need to know about kitchen cabinets. We have a lot to cover, so buckle up. When making a choice out of the vast catalogs of kitchen cabinets, you need to learn about the various sizes and styles of base cabinets, doors, and finishes, as well as choosing the right finish to match your lifestyle. Let's start with the basics. Cabinet manufacturers are divided into three categories: custom, semi-custom, and stock. The first type we need to talk about: custom cabinetry. They are the easiest to love because they can be fabricated in unusual shapes, allowing you to use all of your kitchen's corners and nooks, offering limitless storage options. Custom cabinet manufacturers allow virtually any configuration, matching design to the space available. A custom cabinet builder will give you exactly what you want. Its only drawback: it does come with a higher price tag. Custom materials vary in quality and availability. Next on the list, semi-custom cabinets. You can request custom features or change specific dimensions with semi-custom. These types of cabinetry are less expensive than custom cabinets, but the level of customization may be limited compared to a full custom manufacturer. Also, something important to remember: a great option is cabinet refacing, where only the doors are replaced but the existing box and shelves remain. And lastly, there are stock cabinets. Stock cabinets are prefabricated and made in a one-size-fits-all manner. Stock cabinets come in various styles, colors, and material options to suit different kitchen designs. Other than choosing the type of cabinets, choosing their door is an important part of the process as well. After all, they are a key visual component in our kitchen, so the style you pick will have a big influence on the decor as a whole. You can create a kitchen that is modern and sleek, elegant and classic, or bright and fun simply by choosing the right cabinet doors. Also, don't forget that cabinet door designs change over time, just like other aspects of home decor. Therefore, even if you're not building a kitchen from scratch, it is possible for you to replace the doors themselves, updating the aesthetics of the cabinets rather than the entire kitchen. So, let's talk about them without wasting more time. First, we can mention shaker-style cabinets since it's the most popular, gaining popularity among homeowners due to their contemporary appearance and functionality. They can be applied to any kitchen and look fantastic with any decor because of their straightforward and clean design. 5 pieces make up a shaker cabinet. 4 form the frame, and the 5th, a flat panel, sits in the middle. You can select from a wide range of materials and finishes with this cabinetry style. Shaker kitchen cabinets are therefore adaptable to any price range. For instance, choosing a painted finish or a natural veneer finish can help you achieve a clean and modern look. Raised panel cabinet doors add a traditional touch to your kitchen. Raised panel doors have a slightly elevated panel in the center to highlight the beauty and characteristics of the wood itself. This look can be achieved by carving grooves or by using adhesives to attach a center panel. Some raised panel door designs may use an unusual combination of materials for the frames and center panel. Furthermore, raised panel doors have a traditional design that allows you to choose from a variety of wood and paint finishes to match the rest of your house. Flat panel cabinet doors, which are also known as slab doors, are a popular choice among contemporary designers and homeowners who prefer a sleek, modern, and minimalistic appearance in their kitchen. Their concrete and smooth design allows them to blend seamlessly into both transitional and contemporary settings. Flat panel cabinet doors are manufactured without frame, so they lack busy or intricate detail. As a result, they appear extremely clean and smooth. You can make them stand out with bold paint color contrast finish, statement handles, or handleless concept. There are also slim shaker cabinet doors. A narrow frame of a slim shaker gives them a sleeker appearance, also allowing for easy cleaning. They are a perfect option for those who want to reflect the contemporary design in their kitchen. Slim shakers might be the best option for those who cannot make a choice between shakers or flat panel door styles. Combining different cabinet door styles is also a great way to express your unique taste in interior design if you prefer a more eclectic kitchen. Just keep in mind that combining different styles and colors can result in a cluttered or unappealing appearance. If you want to keep it balanced, you must find common elements to connect them. And that's about it. Remember, you can consult with Bergen Marble's experienced designers about the style or color of cabinets you want to have in your kitchen. You can also view our kitchen cabinet and door selection, as well as work side by side with one of our designers. Thank you for watching. To learn more about everything you need to know about kitchen cabinets, like, subscribe to catch our next video.